Hello everybody! Watch this video to find out how to recover data lost after formatting a hard disk, USB stick or memory card in Linux. When any storage device is formatted, a part of the information about the location of data on the disk is erased. However, in most cases, data recovery after formatting is still possible. Your chances for success depend on the file system type of data, and the number of files. Another factor is what information and how much of it was written to the disk after it was formatted. Be warned, you shouldn't write anything or do other things to your freshly formatted disk, since it will greatly reduce your chances for recovery. In this video, I will illustrate my actions with the example of Mint, but everything is relevant for other versions of Linux as well – Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, Debian, and so on. How to format a disk in Linux. So let's begin. Suppose we have a disk containing some data. Go to the Disks tool to see that the disk is healthy and has the file system – ext4, xfs or Btrfs. In fact, it doesn't matter what file system is used for a disk. The sequence of actions described in this video will work for all Linux file systems, and soon you will understand why. Let's format the disk in any way you find convenient. With a terminal, you can identify the required disk by its size or name, or by its file system. With specialized software tools, for example, gparted or KDE Partition Manager, or with the graphic interface of your system, or with the Disks tool. If you don't erase the disk, USB stick or memory card, then your data can be recovered with the same effectiveness regardless of which method you decided to use. Click on the Disk Settings menu and choose Format Partition. Pay attention to the Erase Overwrite feature when formatting your disk. If you don't enable this option, only the file allocation table will be overwritten. The files themselves will be intact. The operating system will just label them as deleted. After such method, recovering information from the disk won't be difficult. But if you enable the Erase feature, it will overwrite all disk data while formatting the storage device. In this case, there is no guarantee that data recovery can be successful. So, here is how we recover Linux data after formatting. Choose the format type and file system. Click Format to start the process. As you can see, the disk has been formatted, while its files and folders are removed. What shall we do now? Run Hetman Partition Recovery. The app will ask you for the root user password. Type it. Select the disk. You can identify the required disk by its size or name, or by its file system. Choose Full Analysis. Fast Scan is not suitable to recover data after formatting a hard disk, USB stick or memory card. Specify the file system of the disk. As you can see, the recovery tool can deal with almost any file system. That is why I said that the file system of the formatted disk does not matter. Data in different file systems is actually recovered in the same way. You can see the file system of your disk in the tool itself or in the disk utility. However, the recovery tool tends to properly identify the file system of the disks it works with. When the scan is over, click Finish. Now you can see the recovery tool has created two folders. In one of them, you can find the same number of folders that have been lost as a result of formatting. Inside the folders, there are your files. In the other folder, Content-Aware Analysis, there are files that have been found by analyzing the contents of files. They are sorted by type. In both folders, you can preview the files. If you're looking for a specific file of a specific format, then it's more convenient to find it in Content-Aware Analysis folder. If you need to recover contents of a certain folder, then go to the folder named Lost and Found. If a partition is formatted in a different file system or even deleted, the recovery tool will also display the partition with the previously existing file system. In this case, select a particular disk with a file system from which data should be recovered. To have the files back, select them and hit the Recovery button. Otherwise, drag them to the Recovery list. If you can't see this list, go to View, Toolbars, Recovery list to open it. Then choose a method to save them. Next, select the folder where to save them, Recovery, As you can see, the files have been recovered. I have shown this example with the hard disk of my computer. However, using this method you can recover data after formatting a USB stick or memory card, an external hard disk or another storage device, regardless of the interface used to connect them to a computer, be it a card reader, USB port or Type-C port. Talking of data recovery from SSDs, this process has its own peculiarities, but it's a topic for another video. And that is all for now. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave comments below to ask questions if you have any. Thank you for watching and good luck!